What is going on, traders? Welcome back to the Traveling Trader. Today I wanted to provide a little bit more clarity on the Tesla stock split. This will also apply to Apple's stock split. We'll give a little bit of a price update. I did a video on the day that the Tesla stock split was announced about how I think the price action will behave leading up to the split. So far, it's following that to the T. We went from about $1,400 a share to $1,900 a share, but I received a ton of questions on that video about what happens if I buy after the 21st. So the 21st for Tesla is the date of record. For Apple, it's the 24th. And there was a bit of confusion about what happens if you buy after those dates. Will you still be eligible for the split shares? So in order to avoid being an asshole and assuming that everybody knows the basics of a stock split, I'm going to go into it right here. So if you're confused about when you should buy Tesla or Apple shares in order to be eligible for the split shares, then definitely continue watching. But first, let's take a look at a Tesla price update and see how we're doing. All right, so here is Tesla's chart. On the 11th was the day that the split was announced. As I was saying, it was very smart that Tesla announced it then because it looked like we were losing momentum and we were definitely breaking down below some important support levels. And we were hovering at just shy of 1,400. We did hit 1,900 yesterday, and Tesla, since the announcement, is now up 36%. I went over the 6 stages of a stock split and said that on the announcement or the day after, we do expect to see a rally based on the excitement of the split itself, even though in reality, it's a meaningless event for the most part, meaning it's not an event that creates additional value for the company. But stock traders are stock traders, especially those of you on Robinhood. And now it looks like we're entering the dormancy phase. So looking at Tesla's stock, you could see that the last couple of days, it looks like we hit a wall at the same level. We might see some resistance here and then maybe a slight drop off, as those who bought Tesla are now likely going to hold until after the split, which again occurs on the 31st. But we have this thing called the day of record. And if you see, Tesla's day of record is August 21st. Apple's day of record is August 24th. And the question is, what happens if you buy after this? So in short, nothing. You will get your shares. If you owned any amount of Apple or Tesla shares by close of market on August 30th and on August 31st, you will get the split shares based on the ratio, a 5-for-1 stock split for Tesla and a 4-for-1 stock split on Apple. So what is the day of record and is it significant? Well, let's do a little bit of Khan Academy action. And by the way, if you get anything out of this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. And if you want access to all of my trades, including Tesla and Apple, link is in the description. We have a very lucrative call credit spread on Tesla that is up 50%. Now, all of my trades are sent in the Discord just like this. We have a trade on Overstock that it was up 85%. It's currently up, I think, around 97%. Our Salesforce trade is up 85%. And we have the 2100, 2150 call credit spread on Tesla that's currently up 50% as Tesla is seeing some retracement. So back to our whiteboard, or I should say blackboard. Let me get into what the day of record is. So let's just say that August 21st, right? This is the day of record for Tesla, and all it is an accounting thing, right? It doesn't mean that if you buy after August 21st, you will not get your shares of Tesla. You have until market close on the day before the actual split on August 31st. But it's just an accounting thing. This right here, this just determines from where the shares come from. So if you bought before August 21st and you have Tesla shares now, then your 5-for-1 shares will come directly from Tesla, right? So let's say this is you right here and you have 1 share of Tesla. Then after August 31st, you will be slightly happier because now you will have 5 total shares of Tesla. But if you bought before August 21st, right, then these shares will come directly from Tesla. Now, let's say again, August 21st, date of record for Tesla. It's August 24th for Apple. Let's say that you bought shares of Tesla on August 22nd. Say you were on Robinhood and you bought shares of Tesla on August 22nd. So here's you. And on August 22nd, you bought 1 share of Tesla. Well, on August 31st, when the shares actually split, you will still have 5 shares of Tesla now. But instead of coming directly from Tesla, it's going to come from the person that you actually bought the shares from. So let's say this right here is Jill, right? Instead of these additional 4 shares to make up 5 shares coming directly from Tesla after August 21st, because we're on August 22nd, that's not going to happen. It's coming directly from Jill, right? And Jill is actually getting them from Tesla because she was the shareholder of record on August 21st. So as you can see, in terms of your portfolio, it really doesn't matter. This is just an accounting thing that Tesla is required to do by SEC and probably some other FINRA regulations. So that's really it. You can buy Tesla and Apple all the way up until August 30th market close, right? And you will still get your split shares. All right, traders, that is it for this video. I hope this was helpful. Again, if you get anything out of this video, please leave it a thumbs up. Leave it in the comment section below. Let me know if you're holding Tesla and or Apple through the split, or if you plan on buying after the split. Sign up if you want access to the trade alerts. Link is in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Stay safe out there, traders. Peace.